Hi everyone, this is Miley here and welcome to our learning video. In today's episode, I would like to give you a detailed introduction for our expansion board for Microbit. We can create many different and fantastic gameplay based on our expansion board. Let's come and have a close look. This place is designed for installing the batteries. On the top of it, you can see there are two indicators over there. The middle one is ultrasonic sensor port. You can insert into any row of it. This part is used to insert microbits. Here I want to say, please make sure the LED screen side placed in front of the battery. These two white ports are motor ports, and this one is buzzer for making sound. Beside it is the color sensor port. This port is for plugging the external battery, and this is a switch. This switch can only control the battery on and off, while it cannot control the external battery. This one is sound sensor, and this is line checking sensor. This part is designed for installing serial bus servo, and here are 6-channel servo ports. Really plentiful, right? Hope you could join us and explore the fun brought by this expansion board. If you still have any doubts, do not hesitate to contact us. See you there.